Let's temporarily deactivate your Facebook Lite account. To start, open your Facebook Lite application. It is better you can up-to-date this application. After opening, tap the hamburger menu in the top right corner. Then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy and open Settings. Now select the first one, Account Center. Then select the last option, Manage Account. Now tap Manage next to Facebook. Then select the second option, Deactivation or Deletion. Here you can see Deactivate account is selected by default. You can go forward. Now you can see your Facebook and Messenger account will be deactivated. So re-enter your password and tap Continue. Now you have to select a reason. Here I will select the very first one. This is temporarily. I will be back and tap the Continue button. Then scroll down, tap 7 days. In this pop-up window, you have to select Don't reactivate automatically and tap Done. Otherwise, it will be reactivated within next 7 days. So just tap Deactivate my account. Then your Facebook account and Messenger account will be deactivated. Instead of deactivating, if you want to permanently delete it, click this end screen video and come on over. Later.